Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adi here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning March 6th to the 12th, 2023 using this printable kit from AppleBlossomPrints called Snowdrops, and I paired it with a matte silver SPC SPC Planner Hannah foil bundle. I think it was the winter one, let's just say, and I think it went perfectly with this kit. Me using this kit in this week was perfect because it did end up snowing this week, so it worked out well. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the rest of the base, and I'll be back for the day by day. And again, if you see any imperfections in cut lines and stuff like that, that's down to me, not the shop, because it was a printable. And this was my first time properly printing a kit. So yeah, I'm going to let you watch the rest of the base and I'll be back in a second. Enjoy! Okay, now the base is done. Let's get down into the day by day. So first in the sidebar, I noted that it was snowing, but then I changed it into noting that it was cuddle weather because the script was in the foil bundle and I wanted to use it. So the icon is from Papershire and the script is from the foil bundle. So starting with Monday, I marked that I missed my alarm this morning, was probably because I was up all night watching the Lion Games. So I used alarm clock icon from the foil bundle to note that, and then noted getting ready really quickly with the sticker from Make Plans. Goodness me. I then noted that my car was making super weird noises with a sticker from Paper Dryer. I marked having my morning tea, which was before my car making weird noises, but it just worked out better on this side, so I just put it there with this icon from the doodle sheet of Apple Blossom Prints. I then noted that so we went to my son's first year appointment, so some of the things went out of order, so I noted his weight check. Obviously I haven't noted that it was his appointment yet, but I just put it there because it fit. I used a stethoscope icon from the foil bundle to note that. Inside the extender I noted that it was his 1 year appointment, so I used the Sweet Ava's paper sticker to note that. I then noted that they checked his height with a trainer icon from the doodle sheet. I then noted that everything was good and he was right on track for his age with this sticker from PlanWithAds. Then noted that the doctor or the nurse and I and my husband spoke about Malik's bedtime routine and trying to change it up to get him to sleep through the night. So I used this bed sticker from PMD Stickers to note that. We then discussed introducing him to cow's milk and weaning him off a formula. So I used another sticker from PMD Stickers to note that. After this was all done, we dropped him off to my mum's house. So I used this cart icon from the foil bundle to note that. I then got some takeout. So I used an icon from the foil bundle and a script was supposed to come from Hannah, but not the foil bundle. I then noted going to work, which I went at lunchtime, which is why I got takeout. So I used the sticker from PMD Sticker and a script from the foil bundle, which I think is what I used to mark work the rest of the week. I then noted having a cooking club for after school club with this icon from the foil bundle. I then picked up Malik, so I used this Mick Plans boy with a backpack sticker to note picking him up. He pooed. I picked him up, not from school, from my mum's house. While we were at my mum's house, he pooed all over and it went all over me. Like, it was gross. So I used this poop icon from SBC to note that. I then noted doing my mum's hair with a retitle icon from PMD Stickers. Then we went home and Malik had some time with his dad. So I used this Make Plans boy, man and baby sticker to note that, and a daddy Santime script from Planner Hannah. And then I noted that Malik went to bed early with this sticker from Planner Face and a sleep early script from Naturallyads. Moving on to Tuesday. The first thing I marked on Tuesday was waking up early with our alarm clock icon from Temple Loves Crafts and an up early script from Planner Hannah. Then noted getting ready with the same plant sticker I used the rest of the week. I had my morning tea, so I used this icon from the foil bundle to note that. I then went to, while I was driving into London, I went to the cash machine. So I used this money icon from the foil bundle to note that. I used this car from Once More Love to note that I took my car to the mechanics because of the noises that it was making. So that's why I got up early, so that I could get to work on time. I then had to drop, and my husband dropped off Malik to nursery. This was all happening at the same time. So I marked that with a Once More Love sticker. Then was running late for work. So I used this asterisk icon from Pink Diamond Planet Co. And then I noted taking an Uber to work with a PND sticker girl and a work script from a foil bundle. And then noted being in my feelings about something with this crying sticker from Bubba Bear Studios and an in my feelings script from the foil bundle. I noted that it was super duper cold with the gloves icon from the Crafty Planet Co. and a script from the kit. I then had to cover a different after school club to the one I usually do. So I used this card icon from the kit, the foil bundle, because we were playing games to note that. I then introduced them because it was the earliest to Gracie's Corner because Malik loves that. So I put it on and they loved it. So I used this YouTube play button icon from the foil bundle to note that. Then my husband had to pick up Malik because I had to pick up my car. So I used this sticker from What's Love to note that he picked him up. And then I picked up my car, so I used a Make Plan sticker to note picking up my car. And then by the time I got home, I was super duper tired, so I used this bed icon from the doodle sheet and a script from the foil bundle to note that. I then got some takeout, so I used a takeout icon from the foil bundle and a takeout script from Planner Hannah. And then I had a plan with me binge, so I used this doodle from the doodle sheet to note that. And then finally I noted cuddling with Malik with this sticker from PlanWithAds. Moving on to Wednesday, it was a very long day on Wednesday, so I had to add in another extender just so that it would fit everything. I think that's why I'm paused at the moment, because I was figuring out how I was going to fit everything. So first I noted waking up early with an alarm clock icon from Templar's Crafts and a script from Planner Hannah. this was the day that it snowed, so I noted that it was a snowy day with the snow sticker. I think it's from PMD Stickers as well, and a snow day script from PlanWithAds from the foil bundle. I noted getting ready with the same Make Plans sticker, and then I noted having my morning tea with an icon from the foil bundle. And then noted leaving really early this morning because when I woke up to put the hot water on, I saw that it was snowing, so I knew I would have to leave early just to avoid traffic. So I used the moon sticker from the foil bundle to note that because it was still dark out when I left. I then noted that my husband dropped off Malik to nursery with the sticker from What's With Love. Then I marked work with the same sticker from PMD Stickers and a script from the foil bundle. And then I noted sorting out the homework for the kids with this laptop or computer icon from the foil bundle. I then noted it was a really good day with a heart icon from the foil bundle and an awesome day script from Tilly Journals. And then that day got cut short because Malik got sent home from nursery because they said he had diarrhea, so I used this Want With Love pooping sticker to note that. My husband had to pick him up because I was still at work and he was still at home. Even though he was working from home, it was closer for him, so I used this Want With Love sticker to note that. And then I noted that I had Arts and Craft Club with this sticker from Planner Face. I noted it being super duper cold with this gloves icon from the Crafty Planner Co. And then finally I noted going home with a house icon from the foil bundle. I noted giving my cuddles. He did not have diarrhea, by the way. He just had like a wet poo and they sent him home because he had 2 of them, but he didn't have diarrhea. We quickly found. I gave him some cuddles, so I used the PMD sticker to note that. And then when I was home, we were looking at new cars, so I used this laptop icon from the foil bundle to note that. I then noted Malik was playing with this bubble icon from the Crafty Planner Co. Then me and my husband cuddled as he was playing, so I used a sticker from What's With Love and a script from the kit. We then got some pizza for takeout, so I used this icon from the foil bundle to note that. And then finally, I had a YouTube binge, so I used a YouTube play button from the foil bundle to note that. Moving on to Thursday, so I stayed home from work this day because the nursery said he was not allowed to return for 48 hours because of the diarrhea that he didn't have, but I just obliged and called in sick for one. No, I called off of work. I used a heart icon from the Pink Diamond Planner Co to note no work, and then I noted that Malik was home with me with the sticker from PMD Stickers. I noted that he was really fussy this day with the Bubba Bear Studio sticker and a script from Tilly Journals, and then I noted that my husband went into the office this day. Used the YouTube play button from Kylie Plans to do a YouTube binge, and the YouTube binge script is from the foil bundle. I noted that I started to have some cramps. It all happened all in the right time, I guess. With this sticker from Valiant Tuma and a cramp script from Bella Plan Ella. Then noted that my period came. Aunt Flo was here with this pad icon from Kylie Plans and a script from the Honeybee Shop. And then I noted watching Scandal with a Netflix and sticker from Paper Candy Art. Did do some planning, so I used the sticker from Paper Dolls Co and the Time to Plan script from the foil wonder to note that. I had lots of Malik cuddles, so I used the PMD sticker girl to note that. And then I did some planning in my 52 weeks planner, so I used this planning girl from Fox and Cactus. Then made some scripts. Oh, this is on the wrong side. Whoopsie daisy. I used this paper milk iPad to note that. And then print and cut the scripts that I made with this printer. I used this printer from the foil bundle to note that. And then my husband and Malik fell asleep together in the living room as I was doing this, so I noted that. And then I did a mini extender at the bottom because I had a couple more things to mark. So I used the baby girl icon from Carly Plans to note that I was memory planning for Malik. I then noted that we got some takeout. I think we got dessert. Did we? Maybe, because I used a cup. I used this drink to mark it, so it was probably dessert. And then I finally pulled some stickers, so I noted that too. I haven't been marking Malik memory planning my memory notes. I just realised I need to go and add that because I did it a couple of days ago. Okay, so on to Friday. I noted waking up early with the sleep mask icon from the doodle sheet and an up early script from Planner Hannah. I then used this laptop icon also from the doodle sheet to note that my husband went into the office again. I used this Hulk icon from the Coffee Monsters Code to note having some cramps again, and another script from Better Plan Ella. I don't have work on Fridays anyway, so I didn't mark anything work related. I then used this wrench icon from the foil bundle to note that Eon, our energy provider, came to fix our smart meter in. I then noted cuddling with Malik in bed as this was going on because we had no electricity while this was getting fixed. So I used this PMD sticker to note that, and then had a Plan With Me binge on my iPad, so I used a TV icon from the foil bundle to note that. I then did some planning while Malik slept, so I used a sticker from the Coffee Monsters, Fox and Cactus, and a planner session script from Sugar Box Stickers. Then used this sticker organizer icon from Paper K and a organized sticker script from, what is the shop called? Mr. and Mrs. Mink Co. I then noted pulling stickers, so I used a sticker sheet sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. and a pull sticker script, which is really big, from Bella Pen Ella, because this was at the time I didn't know that I could ask to get my script smaller. It's in silver, but I thought why not use it because it just matched anyways. I then used this GP Studio Girl with Bunny to note budgeting. The budget script is from Temple Loves Crafts. Then noted getting new car insurance for my old car because it needed to be renewed, with this phone icon from the foil bundle. And then finally I noted watching Scandal with this Disney Plus munchkin because I watched it on Disney Plus. On to Saturday, so I noted sleeping in first thing with a bed icon from the foil bundle and a sleeping script from Planner PixieCo, no, Pink Diamond Planner Co. I don't know why I get this shops mixed up, like name wise. I then noted cuddling Bannock again with another PMD sticker and a cuddle time script. I don't know if, I'm pretty sure. Who knows? Okay, yeah, it's just a cuddle time script. Let's just leave it at that. I then noted having some tea with a PMD sticker. Next, I noted making some eggs with a Mixie Cat stuff sticker. I then had a plan with a binge. I used this pencil from the doodle sheet to note that. And then I watched some Scandal, so I used another Munchkin Disney Plus sticker. My husband went out to a party, so I used this balloon icon from the from the doodle sheet to note that. I did some laundry, so I used this laundry basket from washing machine, goodness me, from Paper Candy Art, and a laundry script from the foil bundle to note that. I then had a grocery delivery, so I used a grocery bag icon from Freebie. I don't know what shop it was from though, and a grocery run script from the foil bundle to note that. Then I noted that Malik was loving the Ritz biscuits that I had bought him with this bowl of snack sticker from Sticky Packs, and then I noted he was playing with this bubble icon from the Crafty Planner Co. Finally, onto Sunday, I noted waking up early with this Rise and Shine munchkin from What's Brave Loved and a script from Planner Hannah. I then noted having my morning tea with the Crafty Planner Co. teacup. And then I noted playtime with another Crafty Planner Co. bubble sticker. Malik was eating more Ritz biscuits, so I used another snack bowl from Sticky Perks to note that. I noted that we were reducing his formula with this munchkin feeding the baby. I noted that he spent time with his dad with this Mick Plan sticker, and then I did some voiceovers as while he was with his dad, so I used this Harriet Rack Designs icon to note that. I then packed my work bag, so I used a bag from the foil bundle to note that. Next, I watched some Scandal, so I used the same munchkin to note that, and then some Love Island and After Sun, so I used a TV from OK Plans and a screen from PMD stickers to note that. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked and comment down below what you thought of the spread, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!